welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really cute haul for you from Michaels. So I'm going to be showing you things that I purchased so that I can start doing the pocket letters and the shaker cards. I'm so intrigued by that, and when I got those gifts in my P.O. box, I loved them all, but I was really intrigued by the pocket letter. So I'm going to start making those. So I bought me a bunch of things that I can use to make that. And don't worry about my foot. It's elevated and it seems to be slightly improving. So I'm glad about that. So let's get into this fun stuff. Let me show you everything that I purchased at Michael's, and it was almost all of it was on sale. So let me start off with this. It's the Reflections paper pads. It's 12 by 12, and this is the Tropic Vacation pad. And I just love all these little how this looks inside. It's really pretty, as you can see. I think this is going to make gorgeous pocket letters, or you can use this stuff for your planner as well. But I just love how these look. It's just beautiful. So I loved that when I saw that. Now this, I paid $5.99 for. I'm going to go back tomorrow because it's my understanding that these were on sale too, but I didn't get these on sale. So I'm going to go back and check because I think they may have made a mistake. And then this is the Reflections Butterfly Blooms 6x6 papers, and I love these as well. I just think I'm going to be able to, I love this. It has like a little bit of the glitter on that. I don't know if that's coming across or not, but I just love how this paper is too. I think it's going to be really pretty. And this paper right here also has that glitter. Oh, it's gorgeous. But I cannot wait, and I love those little butterflies, and this is glitter too. But I can't wait to start making the pocket letters and the shaker cards. And then this is the Stay Magical one. I love that. You can see how that looks. The little mermaids, and all this is kind of very, like, this paper is almost like iridescent. I just think it's going to be gorgeous. Might be better to flip it this way. I think it is. You can see it better. But that is beautiful. And then I bought this 12 by 12 Reflections paper. This one right here. And I'll try to just flip this way as well. I think this works maybe best to just flip it this way, so you can see. And this is really shiny. I love that when I saw that. I think this would be beautiful in your planner. Like I said, it just has so many beautiful papers in here, and you could use it for the planner. And this almost looks like leather. And I love this brick, this aged brick. It looked gorgeous to me. And then there's this. I just thought, I was really intrigued by all these colors, and I love this being so shiny. But that's how this looks. I think there's a lot of really pretty papers in here. And this is gorgeous. I mean, is that not beautiful? Okay. So I got that. And then this is the last of the papers. This is the Magic Hour Recollections. And I just, when I saw this, I was like, oh yeah. I mean, just look at that. It's gorgeous. I love purple anyway. And it has a lot of little shimmery details in here with the mermaids. And I just think this just looks serene. I love it. So here's all this. And look at that. I mean, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to start making some shaker cards and pocket letters. But look at that, even how beautiful that is. I really love this one. It's just full of goodness. But I really like that. Okay. And then I picked up some cookie cutters. This looks like a teapot, and this was $1, and a heart, and all the cookie cutters were $1, and this leaf. For the fall, I think this is going to come in very handy. And then a mason jar. I loved that. And then this washi was 33 cents. So I got some of this so that I could like give it away in my, and this one says hello in my pocket letter, or just use it in my planner. I mean, I love it. It's just all really pretty. And this is kind of more almost Christmassy in a way. And these are little black hearts. So I liked that really well. And then I picked up some liquid pearls. It's like the iridescent white, like a pearly white and silver and almost like a copper color. But I picked those up. Now these were on sale, this little twine. I got these for $1. I got like a mint green and then a baby blue. It's almost coming across a light purple, but it isn't. And then this little bit of a pink. I'm going to enjoy that. And then these, this right here, this was on sale. I don't remember how much I paid for this though. It's just different little glitters in different sizes. But I think that's going to come in handy. And now these are just like puffy stickers. And I thought these were adorable. And you could do it in your planner, or you could use it in the pocket letter. You could really do it with anything. And they were supposed to be $2, but they were $1. So I got that one. And this one that says dream a little. I thought that was really cute. And then I had to get the flamingo. I thought that was adorable. And then I picked up these little tags. And these were $1 as well. And I love, it's a really pretty blue, and then it has that silver, almost like a thread around the edge. I love it. And you get 18 of them in there. So I thought that was, I got it in blue, and then I got it in this really light baby pink, and then in this fuchsia color. I really like that. And then this is just adhesive chipboard, and you get 2 of them in a pack, and this just says hello. And that was $1 as well. I mean, they really had a lot of good sales. And I can see me being able to do a lot with that as well. And then these little pearls. Now these were $1.50. I don't know if they were on sale. They may have been on sale. No, I don't think they were. These are just like little pearls. And I thought they would be really pretty in my pocket letter. And then these are just like some rhinestone stickers. And they're kind of a champagne color. I don't know if it's coming across that well, but that's the color they are. And then I got these little stickers. Now they say they were $4.99, but they were not. They were, I'm gonna get my receipt. I think they were $2. So I love this, and they already look like little shaker stickers to me, but I really like that with the little mason jars in there. And then these are little stickers that were originally $4.99, but I paid $2 for those as well. And this just has a little butterfly on them, and it says, welcome to my garden. And then more of them up here. And then always be lovely with the little flowers and the little wine bottles, and then the little dog. And stop and smell the roses. I think that's really pretty. So I think that'll be really pretty in a pocket letter. And then I picked up some of these sticky notes, and they were, I believe, $1. But I just loved all the little mermaid theme on this. You can't go wrong with these. You can use them in so many things, your planner or the pocket letters. And then I picked this one up too. And it's all based on just sweet treats. So I thought that would be really nice. And then I picked this one up. I thought they were really cute with the different little round circles, and then to do and take a note and just things like that. I think that will be really pretty. And now then I picked these up, and I love these. These were originally $4.99, but I got these for $2. And I love these. They're paper flowers, and there's 60 in this. And this is just like the cream, and then one that's almost like a buttercup yellow. It's between a cream and a buttercup yellow. I love that. And then I picked the purple up too, and it was the same price. I love these. These will look so good. And then I had to have some glitter, so I picked this up. I don't know if you can see it, but these are like little yellow stars. And then these are little red hearts. And then these are just like green stars. I don't know if it's picking up or not. And then these are little orange hearts. And then we go back to hearts. These are a little more orangey. These are kind of pink, and these are orange. And then blue stars. But I think that will be gorgeous, all that glitter in a pocket letter. And then the last thing I picked up was a fuse tool. I started to get the We Are Memory Keepers, but they didn't have it at the Michaels I was at. So I picked up the Project Life one. And it came with the ruler and the 2 tips and the stand. So let me know down below which one's best. If the Memory Keepers, We Are Memory Keepers is better, I might take this one back and exchange it for that. Look at a different Michaels. But that is what all I picked up, and I'm so excited. I think it's going to make beautiful pocket letters and shaker cards and just embellishments for my planner. I'm so excited. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.